Screen printing, also known as silk screening or serigraphy, is a printing technique used to transfer a design onto a surface using a mesh screen, ink, and a stencil. It is widely used for creating designs on various materials, including textiles, paper, glass, ceramics, metal, and wood. Here's an overview of the process. Key components. Screen mesh, a frame stretched with a fine mesh, originally silk, now often polyester or nylon, that acts as the surface for the stencil. Stencil, a template that blocks parts of the screen, allowing ink to pass only through the desired areas. Ink, specialized ink suitable for the surface being printed on. Squeegee, a rubber blade used to push ink through the mesh onto the substrate. Substrate, the material being printed on, e.g. a t-shirt, poster, or mug. The process. Preparation of the screen. A mesh screen is coated with a light-sensitive emulsion. A design is placed on the screen and the screen is exposed to UV light. The light hardens the emulsion except where the design blocks it. The unexposed emulsion is washed away, leaving the stencil for the design. Setting up the screen. The screen is placed on the substrate. The stencil ensures ink is applied only where the design allows. Printing. Ink is applied to the screen. The squeegee is used to push ink through the mesh and onto the substrate. Drying and curing. The printed material is dried and in some cases heat treated to cure the ink for durability. Advantages. Versatility, works on a wide range of materials and shapes. Durability, prints are vibrant and long-lasting. Cost-effective for large runs, economical for bulk printing. Disadvantages. Setup time, preparing the screen can be time-consuming. Not ideal for small runs, less economical for single or small batch printing. Environmental concerns, some inks and cleaning chemicals can be harmful if not managed properly. Applications. Apparel, e.g. t-shirts, hoodies. Posters and art prints. Labels and decals. Packaging. Promotional products. Screen printing is popular for its ability to produce bold, vibrant colors and its adaptability to different materials and designs. A screen is a flat or curved surface or device that can serve various purposes depending on its context. Here are the common meanings of screen. 1. In display technology. A screen refers to the display surface of electronic devices like computers, televisions, smartphones, and tablets. It is used to present visual information such as text, images, and videos. Examples. LCD, liquid crystal display, found in most modern TVs, monitors, and laptops. OLED, organic light-emitting diode, used in high-end smartphones and TVs for better color and contrast. Touchscreen, a screen that can detect and respond to touch input. 2. In printing. In screen printing, the screen is a fine mesh stretched over a frame used to create stencils for transferring designs onto a surface. The screen allows ink to pass through only where the stencil design is open, creating a printed image. 3. As a partition or divider. A screen can be a physical partition used to separate spaces or provide privacy. Examples. A folding room divider. Privacy screens in hospitals. Outdoor screens to block sunlight or wind. 4. In film and media. The screen refers to the surface onto which movies or presentations are projected, such as in a cinema. Also, screen can refer metaphorically to the film or TV industry, e.g. big screen for movies, small screen for TV. 5. In security and testing. To screen means to examine or filter something. Example. Airport security screening. Health screenings for diseases. 6. In general usage. Any device or surface that serves as a barrier, protector, or filter. Example. A screen on a window or door to keep insects out. A protective screen in machinery? Let me know if you meant a specific type of screen.